Okay, so now I've got my apples in the crock pot and I'm going to attempt to make some apple cider vinegar. I am just using one of these because I don't have a container big enough to hold all the cores and the peelings. So I just have some filtered water here. I'm going to pour over. I'm probably going to need more than what I have here. Yeah, I will need a little bit more, but I'll top it up off the camera. And we're going to need some sugar because it needs to eat. So we're going to give it, for this amount, I'm going to do 2. It's going to pop down in there. And then I'm going to take a coffee filter and a rubber band and put it on top. So just give me one moment here. Okay, so we got that all topped up with some water. The sugar's in there. Got a coffee filter. I normally use my cheap coffee filters, but I don't know where they are right at the moment, so I gotta use the little more costly ones. And we're just gonna set this aside for 2 weeks and just make sure to keep an eye so there's no mold or anything growing. But I'll bring you guys back in about 2 weeks time. Okay, so it's time to deal with this now. It's been sitting for almost, I know it's been a month. It might be a little bit longer than that, but it definitely smells like vinegar. I'm just trying to see if I can show. I don't think, oh, there we go, kids focusing. I don't know if you guys can see on top of that, there's a film there. That's actually a mother starting to form. It's not mold. I've been keeping my eye on it very, very closely. There's definitely no mold starting there. It's just a mother starting. It definitely has that apple cider vinegar smell, and fruit flies have been like trying to get inside of this, so it's time for me to deal with this now. Now I have this old apple cider jug. It's a gallon jug, and I'm just going to use this to store my vinegar in, but I want to strain it. So what I'm going to do, instead of using a cheesecloth, I'm just going to use a fine mesh sieve here. See if I can get it to sit up. Actually, hang on. Let's do my little trick here. Here we go. Now I know it's not going to go anywhere. Okay. Just going to carefully pour this through. I got water going everywhere. Okay. And I'm just going to fill this up. I'm not going to do all of it on here, so there's still a bit more to go. Then I'll just put this down in my basement. Once I have it all filled up, I'll put the lid on it, and that mother will start to form in this again, just like they do with my other jugs like this. I actually normally have a mother grow on the bottom of them. So there you go. Apple cider vinegar using apples that were not being eaten on the counter. So I figured I would turn them into applesauce, and then the peels from the applesauce got turned into apple cider vinegar. And now this will go into my compost, and it will feed my garden for next year. So nothing went to waste. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you again really soon. Bye.